Hey, third graders, today you're going to be working on the letter X. The small cursive X has two steps. Beginning here, this is step 1. Pick up your pencil, and this is step 2. You are going to trace and try. Where it says write the joinings, you are going to trace and try. You are also going to trace and try where it says write the words. Let's read the words together. Taxi, ox, axis, wax, tax, 6, tuxedo, mixer, waxy. Trace and try, save your packet in your writing folder.